Hello, this is Jim with We Develop Electrical Products. And today we're going to be talking about our next project with Arduino and what you're going to need for that next project. Uh, all these devices and items will be listed in the description below. And if you subscribe to this video and like the video, I would appreciate it. And right now I'm going to unbox what we're going to be using for our next project. You'll need, of course, an Arduino Uno is what we're going to be dealing with. And you can buy that on Amazon. You can buy it at a lot of different places, but the link I have down in the description is from Amazon. It's relatively cheap. You will need a USB cable. It's a printer cable. It's the same thing that comes with your printer. Same type as the two different types of ends on it. And you will need that to connect to your computer and to connect the Arduino. You will, of course, need a computer. I'm going to be using my laptop. And then you will need this electronics fun kit. Now we're going to open this up, and it says here that it's got a bunch of different LEDs, and it's got some diodes and electrolytic capacitors, photoresistors, resistors, and a number of different ICs, a breadboard, and solderless jumper wires, and a power supply module, and an active buzzer. So we'll open this up and see what we've got here. I can see we've got just a little. Here's some male to female jumper wires. Here's some resistor values. Looks like different value resistors. A whole package of LEDs. Some diodes and some capacitors. Here's the little power supply board. You can power it with a USB or a plug-in. Some more jumper wires. This looks like male to male, different links. We got some push buttons and a little IC and some transistors. And looks like we got a little box of more jumper wires. And then, of course, we've got the breadboard. So that's what comes in that package. And that'll suffice for our next project. This other box we've got here is just some more jumper wires. I just bought some extra jumper wires. It's got male to male, female to male, and male to male. So we got female to female, female to male, and male to male. And so those are the things that you're going to need for this next project. And we'll subscribe to this video and like the video. I'd appreciate it. And the next video coming out, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be hooking up the Arduino and programming it such that it makes an LED change in intensity from full off to full on in steps, and then from full on back down to full off in steps. So it'll be a gradient of going up and down. And that'll be our next project.